everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope y'all are doing well and taking care of yourselves. Y'all, it has been a busy Thanksgiving weekend. Like, it has just been go for me since Thanksgiving, and now we're jumping straight into the work week, so it's just gonna be go. Hopefully, only until next weekend, and I can get some chill time. But I am back, and I'm just trying to get back into the flow of things, get them off the holidays and get back into just like day-to-day life. So I don't really got a lot of drive yet to be trying to do any very specific videos, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, so I just figured I would just take you along on a little bit of my morning. I guess right now I'm just gonna go just check in on Zeus and maybe just kind of to give you a little glimpse of tiny bits that I do uh, when I'm posting my videos, so that you guys don't just have nothing, right? So, all right, I'm gonna go check on Zeus. I have not looked in his tub in a minute, so we're gonna be looking at that together. Ooh, all right, gotta clean this lid. See what's happening in here, Zeus. I see you ducking and dodging. Oh. Alright, there's Zeusy. Oh, you have shed. That is nice. Can I have that? I'm taking that. Taking that. You look good. You look good. So when do I not look good? Zeus forever look good. He always be looking good. That's a nice good shed there. Look like. Appreciating it. Oh, look, another piece over here. So reasonably solid. Just in multiple chunks. I mean, when you got a lot of stuff in here, it's only to be expected. It's gonna rip sometimes. Alright, get those on up out of there. Get those thrown away. Let's look at here. Okay, we got some urates back there. And a nice pile of poop right over there. So, I need to get this out of here. Oh, at least move it over a minute. And I need back. Hold on. Alright, just got a little, like a doggy poopy scoopy bag. I'm just gonna go on over here and grab that. Come on over here and grab these. Oh yeah. Good. Oh, I need my hands. Hold on. Sweet, so I'm just gonna get that all. Make sure there's not anything I missed in here. Technically, should probably have gloves, but that's alright. Oh, look, there's one. Shit. Alright. So that's all clean. Put that back for Zeus. Have a sense of more. People question me about these all the time, and they're like, "Well, what are those for? What's the?" They see the pictures, and they're like, "Well, why is he in a cage?" And he's not in a cage. It's just this extra little thing. He can fit through these. This is quite a space for him to fit through. It's just a little bit of an extra enrichment. I mean, he is in this tub right now, which I am really looking to change soon. But it just adds a little something extra to the tubs. I know I haven't talked about these much, and maybe I'll do a whole video on it. As this video probably won't get a lot of draw, but I'll do a whole video on these. This is literally just an enrichment thing. You know, he can go in and out of it, adds a little bit of extra, tighter sense of security into it. You know, he's got his little one hide over here, and this had more vines on it than it does now, but this was also pretty much like a second hide. He could come in through here, but he's kind of knocked the sticks around a bit. But either way, so yeah, just thought I would explain what that was about. Hello, Zeus. Hi. Hello, I want to get a better look at you. I'm going to take this off a minute. Let me get a better look at you. Ooh, you looking good. Ooh, is that another poop? Nope, another urate, but I'll grab that. Yeah. Looking good. I like it. All right. That's Zeus, everybody. Freshly shed and looking good. Ooh, and temperamental, my Lanta. All right, I'll leave you alone. Dang. Dang. I'm coming back for that, though, so can't leave you alone for too long. So, yeah, there you go, guys. Just checking on Zeus a bit. Don't got a lot to talk to you guys about today. I'm kind of going to go through each enclosure and check them out. I've done most of them already. Since the weekend, I had to come back and I knew that they needed some attending to because I could smell it. So I've done most of them, but I've just also been busy, so I was kind of like doing a few whenever I can, and I hadn't gotten to Zeus yet. So as you can see, there was a lot to be done, and I'm going to go back in there. I'm going to get that little bit in this corner, boom, and then I'm going to let him show because he's clearly got an attitude today. But yeah, all right, that's all, y'all. You guys take care. Love yourselves, love your reptiles, love your loved ones, and you guys keep spreading those herbs.